Okay, so what does it mean really? Let's compute this ratio. I think the price, this was in the month of March, I think. This was, we can, you know, we can take today's price, JCPenney's today's price. Of course, it will not be accurate. Okay, we want to go back, you know, to the same time, you know, when the numbers were reported and try to find the price. I can do it, but I'm going to have to spend some time, so I don't want to do that now. So what we'll do is just use JCPenney's today's price, because I want to give you an idea as to, you know, what this means. So here is JCP, I believe this is what their JCPenney, so it's $1.30, you can see here. So $1, so it's down 3 pennies today. So let's use today's. It won't be much different last year, but we want to, because we are using numbers from 2018, so you want to use the stock price prevailing then. But let's assume there isn't much difference, so 1.30. And earnings per share, we found out it was negative, right, in JCPenney's case. What was the earnings per share? Earnings per share was 0.37. Okay, so price to earnings ratio here, we'll compute this. So 1.3, I'm saying 1.3 today's stock price divided by this number. So it's going to give you a negative, it's not meaningful. So when earnings per share is negative or net income is negative, this valuation measure does not work. Okay? So it's going to give you a negative number. So what it says is the stock price should be negative. So which means when you buy a share of JCPenney today, you won't pay anything, but the seller will pay you $3.94. It doesn't happen, right? When you're buying a house, you pay cash, right? But it says when you buy the JCPenney stock, you not only buy one share, but the seller will pay you, you know, this amount. So this is not meaningful, okay? But what I want to do is I need to spend some time on the theory behind this approach, so I'll hold off my discussion until next Monday, all right? So to remind you, please leave your homework here with me. If you didn't already turn it in on Monday.